Assalamu alaikum. My name is Iqra.
My name is Ramla.
My favorite Somali mahmah is Halga al Musabiso, and I feel like that really highlights unity. And you know, you could go farther when you guys are together.
And what I like about Ramadan is, it gets you close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
And my favorite thing about Ramadan is the community and togetherness. You know, everybody coming together, having iftar together and everything, and sharing that same experience, but, grounded in Islam.
Ramadan, what I like to eat is, baris, hilib, and sambusa, and all of that.
Also, I'm with Curated For You. We're an event design and decorating business. We did this backdrop for Nomadic to highlight our traditions Islamically and culturally. And we do weddings, nikahs, all type of setups, whether small or big.
And this is Khairat collection. So what we sell here is head abayas, like the Saudi style abayas. We also have normal abayas. We have niqabs, different sizes, also gloves.